Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialu.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about Facebook custom audiences. Can you use Facebook custom audiences if you have no website traffic and let's say no email list? Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's talk about Facebook custom audiences. And maybe you have a brand new website, there's not a lot of traffic and your email list is very small, or maybe you don't have an email list. Can you still use Facebook custom audiences? The short answer is yes. There are a lot of different options you can still use, and I'm going to show you some of those in this video today. All right, now let's jump into my Facebook Ads Manager. I'm already logged into my Facebook Ads Manager. So to build custom audiences, yes, your website traffic is one option. Your email list is another option, but there are other options as well. You can build a custom audience of people who are engaged on your Facebook page and people who are engaged on your Instagram page, and also people who are watching your content, or let's say your videos on Facebook. So there are lots of different options. So how do you find those? Let me show it to you. So when you're logged into your Facebook Ads Manager, you want to go to these three bars on the top. And now we are going to go to the section called Audiences right here. This is where you would go to create all of your custom audiences and lookalike audiences for this account that you are logged in. And here we go. And now when you're logged in, as you can see, we have some audiences, custom audience built, and also some lookalike audiences built, and we have a saved audience, which is just we build from the ad set. And actually, this example is really good because I'm logged into an account. This business did not have a lot of traffic on their website, and also they don't have email list that we could use, but we're still using custom audiences. So, and if you look at this, actually the name gives away, we're using custom audiences of Facebook page engaged. So people who are engaging on their Facebook page in last 180 days. So how do you create this? So to create something like this, you have to click on create audience, and then from these, click on custom audience. Let me do it again. Oh, there you go. So you can see there are different options for sources, right? So as a source, you can use your website, which is ideal. Everyone should have Facebook Pixel installed so they can retarget and build custom audiences. Your customer list, your email list, this is what where you would input that. But if you don't have these, look at this. So you have options where you can use Facebook sources. So what this means is you can use video views. So for example, right here, this means if you look on the right-hand side, create an audience of people who have watched one of your videos on Facebook or Instagram. Very powerful, right? And then if you go over here, create an audience of people who visited or interacted with your profile or ad on Instagram. So people who are engaging with your Instagram profile, you can create a custom audience of those people. And then you have lead forms right here. The one I use a lot is Facebook page. Create an audience of people who follow or interacted with your Facebook page. Now, let me show you how to create some of these. So for example, I want to create a custom audience of people who are engaging with our Facebook page. I'll click on this. And now there's a couple of criteria. People who meet any of these criteria. Now, important thing is make sure you have the right page selected. So if you manage a lot of different pages like myself, make sure you have the right one selected. And then here are different options. You can select everyone who engaged with your page, anyone who visited your page, and there are other options as well, right? People who have sent messages to your page. This is very powerful. If you have a big page and you get a lot of messages, you can create a custom audience of those people who are sending you messages and then create campaigns targeted to those people. That's like your hot, like super hot audience, right? So for the purpose of this, I'm going to just select everyone who engaged with your page, and then you can also select the time frame. I believe it goes from 30 days to the maximum you can do is 365 days. And obviously, the thing you want to remember here is the 30 days is probably people who interacted with your page recently. 365 days, these people may have engaged with your page like 6 months, 7 months, 11 months ago, and they may not even remember you now, right? So you want to kind of take those into consideration. So let's say we pick 30 days. Now you're done. How would you name this audience? So I'll kind of say Facebook page engaged and 30 days. That's it. And then when you create, the last step is to create audience, and Facebook will create a custom audience. And I'm not going to do it right now because we already have we're already using this custom audience for this ad account for this client right now. And as you can see, we don't have, it's not a huge audience, only 1,100 people, but the good thing is once you have a custom audience, you can always build a lookalike audience, which is exactly what we did right here. So we have a custom audience of people who engage on the Facebook page, and then you can also create a lookalike audience from this custom audience. Very powerful. Now, I do want to show you one other thing. I'm going to go back to custom audience, and how do you build a custom audience? So we saw an example of Facebook page. If you click on Instagram business profile, same thing you can do. So multiple criteria here. Actually, I'm not sure if we have a Instagram page connected with this. Let's check. We do actually. There you go. So for this to kind of work, your Instagram profile or business account has to be connected to your Facebook, and it's very easy to do that from Instagram settings. Now, and then the options are very similar. People who meet any of these criteria, make sure you have the right Instagram account selected, and then you have multiple options here. Everyone who engaged with your business in last 30 days, 60 days, 180 days, 365 days. Obviously, if you select 30 days, the audience is going to be small but more engaged. If you select 365 days, the audience is going to be big, but they may be less engaged, right? So, and then you want to name this audience. And then 30 days, right? Or 30 days, not 40 days. There you go. And then when you are done, click on create, and Facebook will create that audience right here. So as you can see, ideally, yes, you should absolutely have Facebook Pixel installed on your website. And then you should be building the number one thing for any online business, or actually any business, is the email list. I tell everyone, make sure you're always building your email list. But let's say for some reason you don't have any traffic on your website, or Pixel installed, or your email list doesn't exist, or very, very, very small, you can still use Facebook custom audiences by some of these options that we saw in this video. If you have any questions on Facebook custom audiences, if you like me to create more video content or more content related to Facebook ads using custom audiences, lookalike audiences, and also the steps of creating the actual ad campaign, let me know in the comments, because I can do that for you. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye for now.